gonna go boom in our face. Yeah, what a rip-off one. That sucked. That was horrible. What a firework. Just boomed for 1 second. Man, you guys need, those are cheap and they don't even work. What kind of fireworks are those cheap, goofy ones? Oh my gosh. Oh boy, oh boy. I'm getting bit up alive, you realize this? I'm getting bit up like a son of a, you know what? I'm gonna film one more. Don't forget I got a camera running, so I wanna get these on tape, but you guys are slow and I can't. Now I gotta wait for you guys again. Guys, I'm gonna film one more because my camera can't record this long. Don't forget my cameras don't have that much memory. They're cheap, you gotta go quick. I wanna get a good one on tape, you better light it. Fire in the hole. Oh, here we go. Amazing, holy crap.